Did you know a 14-year-old became Roman emperor and shocked the ancient world so badly they murdered him 4 years later? Meet Elagabalus, the most scandalous ruler in Roman history. At just 14, he took the throne and immediately married 5 different people in 4 years, including his own cousin. But it gets crazier. He tried the primitive surgeries to become a woman. He gave his lovers the most important government jobs, even though they had zero experience running an empire. Then he forced the entire Roman Senate to worship a Syrian sun god instead of their traditional Roman gods. Romans were absolutely disgusted. At 18, they'd had enough. They assassinated him and threw his body in the Tiber River. But here's the mind-blowing truth that changes everything. Elagabalus was actually born a girl named Julia, but lived as a male emperor. This makes him potentially history's first transgender ruler, centuries before anyone even had words for it.